Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find the uninstall option for Quick Assist on Windows 11. If you no longer need Quick Assist, you can uninstall the application from Windows Settings. First, open the Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. Now from the left side, click Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. At the top, you will see a search box. Click inside the search box and type Quick Assist. Now find Quick Assist in the list of installed applications. Once you find Quick Assist, look at the right side. You will see three dots next to the application. Click the three dots to open the menu. Here, you will see the Uninstall option. This option allows you to remove Quick Assist from your Windows computer. For this tutorial, I'm only showing where the Uninstall option is located, so I will not click it. If you actually want to remove Quick Assist, you can select Uninstall and follow the confirmation steps shown by Windows. After the uninstallation is completed, Quick Assist will be removed from your computer. If you need Quick Assist again in the future, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. So the process is very simple. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Installed Apps, search for Quick Assist, click the three dots and find the Uninstall option, and that's it. Now you know where to find the Quick Assist uninstall option in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.